Welcome everyone, I'm Fausto Carnevale, Italian accountant. In this video today we will see what to do when you receive a job proposal for moving abroad. And I'm doing this video because actually we received those days, last week, a couple of requests of people who received an offer, especially to work in Belgium. So today basically I'm going to give you some advice in what to do, what to avoid to do when you receive a job proposal. If you didn't watch last week's video, Andrea did a video about the Belgium 30% incentive for employees. So basically, if a company in Belgium make you a job proposal, you can apply for this 30% rule, this 30% tax benefit, which actually is one of the main questions that our clients are asking to us now. Like, hey, I received this job offer, what to do, what I need to do. Can I apply for this tax regime, etc., etc.? So in this video, I'm not only referring to the Belgium offers, I will refer also to the Italian offer, because as you already know, we are tax consultants. We are specialized in Italy. I mean, we are Italian, we live in Brussels, so that's why Belgium and Italy, we can analyze 100% those two legislation, but as you may have seen, we also cover the Portugal regime. Okay, so what to do? First things, this is a reminder, this is a disclaimer. When you receive a job proposal, normally it's like this. You have like an offer, I don't know, 50,000 euro. Then you have the benefit, XYZ, and then you have the net. Okay, first things, remember this. When you receive a job offer, sometimes people who are sending, 80% of the times, they don't know anything about taxes, because they are the HR. With all the due respect for the HR, but their job is to hire people. What can happen is that they give you a net salary, the difference between gross and net salary, and you may say, okay, I will get this net amount. What we suggest, by the way, is to do a specific analysis. In fact, we are just now doing these services because we receive a lot of requests, especially for the 30% rule in Belgium, the new expat regime. But what you can do, you can try to look on Google to those websites. You can see more or less how much will you be taxed. And the difficult things to consider is the benefit. And one question, this is the things that you need to ask also to the HR when you receive a proposal. And this can apply for Italy, because in Italy we have impatriate regime, so it's the same. And sometimes you receive a job offer, suppose for working in a consultancy company in Milan, okay, and you are from France or Germany or Belgium, you want to leave to Italy, okay. First questions to ask to the company: hey, do you know that in Italy there is impatriate regime? Second questions: if I don't get this benefit, can I get the money in another way? Third questions: are you up to date with the, of course you can't say like this, but you have to ask, are you up to date with the tax incentives? Because I have a consultancy, I know that you as employees say, I know that there are the impatriate regime, I know that in Belgium there is this 30% tax benefit. You have to ask these questions, because this question, if you receive an answer, it means more money in your pocket. Yeah, more money in your pocket. When the company wants to hire you, and in Belgium you have good salaries, no? You receive 50, 70, 80,000 per year, no? But they don't care. I don't want to say they don't care, because of course they care of you, but they don't know maybe the 30% rule, because it's a new tax regime as well, no? So, guys, please double check, and then, of course, try to pay someone, or try to do it by yourself if you know about taxes. Try to do an estimation, and double check your estimation with the estimation of the HR. Because, for instance, we had a consultancy call with a girl from Spain. She said, but at the end of the day, I received this offer in Belgium, and the salary is not too much higher than what I was getting in Spain. And I said, okay, that's why Then we give her some numbers, but do this check in advance. And I wanted to conclude this video is that the main thing is to ask the right questions to your company. Guys, if you work for big companies, sometimes they send you this, I don't know, KPMG, EY report of how to get the tax benefits. Okay, but it's just a piece of paper. You need to read it with an accountant, you need to read it with a tax professional. That's why in this video I want to remind you, if you are in this position, please contact us and we can schedule even a 30-minute call. We can schedule a tax consultancy call and we can help you. Because this can change your life. Imagine you're moving to Italy with your family. How much money we can save you? How much money you can save thanks to us, you know? Okay, I hope that you liked this content today. I wanted to invite also to check our link if you have other questions. Now we get a lot of requests for Belgium, Italy, Portugal, but especially for Italy. If you want to move to Italy, if you want to go back to Italy, if you want to retire to Italy, actually we are covering now more than 10 countries. For people who want to apply the forfait regime, forfettario, impatriate regime, which is regime impatriati, high net worth individual tax, like Cristiano Ronaldo, or even the 7% for pension, le pensioni al 7%, if you speak a little bit of Italian, or simply if you want to invest to Italy, please, you can book the 15 minutes free discovery call with us, which is already active, but we don't know because we're very busy those days. We don't know how long we can keep it. So till next time, Fausto Carnevale. Subscribe to the channel if you liked our videos and enjoy your staying in Europe.